We're at the airport. We didn't go anywhere. Our flight got canceled. We are through security.
Only had one little hiccup.
In true fashion, I get stopped because battery pack. We're Brian and Megan.
We're an average American couple who loves to travel and explore.
Welcome to our average wild experience. Our flight got canceled, as did several others.
So what decision did we make?
We are driving to Orlando.
We're in Maryland. It's 13 hours straight, in case you're wondering. We also looked at other airports nearby. We looked at other airlines nearby. We looked at rental cars nearby. Everything is sold out, booked until Sunday. And it is Friday night. So we're gonna drive. We have reservations for tomorrow, and Lord willing, we'll at least get to use some of that reservation. So
we're gonna get going.
Start time is 7:40. We'll let you know. Hey guys, it is almost 5 in the morning. Still driving. We have about 5 hours and 20 minutes left. Oh, this drive has been long.
We're still driving.
Still driving. It is almost 9 a.m. Hour and 27 minutes to go. Killing it. It was a long night.
Very long night.
I can officially check off my bucket list. Having a flight canceled and having to drive through the night. Now I've done it.
I don't know if that was ever on my bucket list or not. But
it is now, and it's checked off, so...
It works. Don't have to do that again.
We made it. We are showered. We are almost awake. We are heading to Animal Kingdom. So it is before 12. We did awesome.
We did.
But we're feeling
pretty good on time.
We did good on time, but we are feeling it. So,
well, we just parked. We're way out here.
0.3 miles walk is what they told us.
Getting our steps in early. But we're here. 12 hours late. But we're here. Supposed to arrive at
11 p.m. last night on the flight. Of course, the flight got canceled, so we are here now.
At 12 p.m.
12:18.
We've entered Pandora.
Oh, look how cool this is.
But like, how?
Yep. So everybody says.
Day 2, Hollywood Studios.
You slept last night? It was the most amazing part of the trip.
Yeah.
I am Hongo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in.
All right, so Amanda and Ross, out of 10, what would you give it? 10. 10 out of 10 for Smuggler's Run. What's your favorite part?
Not crashing.
Hyperdrive.
Hyperdrive.
Yeah, that was my favorite.
Hyperdrive is really cool.
Yeah. I was like, do I just keep holding it?
10 out of 10 for Smuggler's Run.
We were gunners.
We're gunners. The gunners are a lot better than the engineers.
Yes.
Yeah. Last time we just got shot out of space because there were no gunners, so.
Yeah. COVID things.
Props for us. You guys are welcome. Kept you alive.
The Wookiee who flies the Millennium Falcon. Is he here? I think you're hiding something, sir.
Magic Kingdom! Up is playing. Very fitting with our shirts.
Yes. Look, Main Street. Oh.
Main Street decked out with fall. Castle repainted, beautiful.